Hi, this is 12 Bolt Tom. I have another tech tip for you here today. This is something I get people calling me about once in a while. And this is not a 12 bolt GM, but same principle. They go to take this bolt out, the cross pin lock bolt, and they go to take it out to get it broke loose, and next thing you know, they find out that it's broke off. And it ain't because they broke it off or the person before them broke it by torquing or anything. It's because it's made out of kryptonite, hard stuff generally. And they've shocked the rear end so hard that they broke the pin at the first thread. Then what do you do to get it out of there? You have a cap in the way. You can't access it with the drill. You can't get an easy out in it easy, and easy outs are terrible. Never use an easy out. But anyway, so this pin's got to come out so you can get your differential apart and the C-clips out of your axles. So what you need to do then is you got to make something. You get one of these universal joint drives for it's a 1/4 inch drive, or you can see it's a 1/4 inch drive socket. Get yourself a left-hand drill bit. You don't buy left-hand drill bits at in AutoZone or whatever. You're gonna have to buy these from possibly at Harbor Freight. I don't know for sure. You can get them at MasterCar. I know you can get them there. So you find your place to find left-hand drill bits. Most bits are right-hand bits. So these turn backwards. Okay? You're going to weld it into a bit so you can drive it. Take out the cap. So you take out this cap, throw it out the side. So now you have access where you can get in this hole. So you're going to get a drill on here. Most drills go forward or backwards. Be careful with the hand chuck drills. As you torque on them going backwards, they will loosen their chuck. So you're not going to put a lot of torque on this drill bit. So you're going to come in with your left-hand drill bit, and if you watch here, this one's already been removed. But you can see I'm going to be drilling away, and you can see that bolt is turning. So it catches it, it unthreads it, and next thing you know, it's going to come out. Now you won't get it out all the way because it will run out of threads. It's got like one thread left. And of course, I've had this out already, and I thought I'd put it in here for show and tell. I can't do it. Not with my bare hands anyway. Now if I grab my drill quick, which is not laying here. Oh. It's not laying in here anymore. We already put it away. But you can see that it turned. I can turn it. And if you look right here, it's at its last thread. It's almost ready to pop out. If I wiggle it here with my finger, possibly, I can tease it and get it to pop out. But we've had this bolt out already. I just did this for show and tell purposes, and it's caught at the last thread. So anyway, you do that. You can see it still turning. It came out. It would stick out just far enough you can get a magnet on it or a pick, and then you pull it out. And you can see there I actually did push it through. So this is what you end up with. And if you look really close, it's got one thread left. And this is a painful thing. So I'm just trying to give you guys a tip on how to get that out. Your alternate is to come in here, and you'll have to self-destruct this rear end to get out of here. A lot of guys will they'll cut this out with a cutter to get that bolt to come out. Then this is junk after that. You throw it away, which is okay in some cases. You're going to put in a posi possibly, but if you want to try to keep it and you're working on a posi, you don't want to cut this to get it out of there. You got to get that pin out. So that's my tip for today, and keep them going forward, I guess. Talk to you later. Bye.